What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is Po Boy's Garage. So next thing on the list I gotta do is the carpet. But first, before I do the carpet, I need to take out the seats. It's down here. It's not fitting. It's not fitting. Be easy removal. Boom, boom, boom. Right inside here. Right then it should be easy to remove. Getting a little stuck. There you go. And the seat should come out now. Alright, I just took out the passenger seat right now. Next I'm going to do the driver's seat. I was able to remove it. This is crazy. This went into the seat. Never seen anything like this. Interesting. But that's what it looks like right now. All the carpet, all the old carpet. About to be all black pretty soon. Just gotta get more stuff off. Woohoo. Still gotta take it all out, cut some stuff. And sit down. Alright, just about done. Actually ripping it out. Took it on that side. I found out it's actually in two pieces. Actually, one long piece in the back, and then I guess if I didn't cut the front, it would have been one piece, like two pieces, but I'm taking it all out. Yeah, see this carpet. Beautiful carpet over here. Damn! Alright. Let's get the next part done. And hopefully vacuum this out. I think the shop vac's in the other garage. But I'll go get it right now. So just gotta take this piece off. It's connected right there. How ugly it is. Man. I think the shop vac is in the other garage, so I had to go check that out really quick. And it's dark, so I need a flashlight. Let's see how dark it is in a second. Look at that, nothing. Nothing out there. Alright. Vacuumed all out. Took all the carpet out. It's pretty simple. Just had to tear everything out, really. I mean, not tear it out, but you know. I gotta figure out this guy right here. Alright, so I figured out, in order to take this guy off, you got a bolt right here, and it goes to right there, and it goes through there. Well, I broke that piece trying to shove this through here. That's not the way you do it. It actually just went right through. All you gotta do is go right through, and I broke it, but oh well. But this side, left this one on for you. You got the bolt right there. Let's pop it off. Take that guy off, just like that. And then it comes down in here. Like that little guy. You actually just have to pop it off, and it'll go right through. So on this side, it's kind of hard to pop out, but yeah, all you have to do is just pop it in through the other side. And good, it's not broken like I did earlier. There you go. Until you take this piece out. Man, a little hot in here today. I'll let this sit for a few hours like the instructions said. And it came out pretty good. I don't know what happened there. What's that about? Installing the carpet, a little rough, but it's coming together. Carpet's taking a little while. A little bit bigger, but it's coming out. I just need to start trimming little pieces on it and it should fit a lot better. It's coming together. Got that piece in. Gotta trim the edges. This came out pretty good right here. Not too bad. So I gotta get a screw, put it in there. But all in all, it fits. A lot of modification though. A lot of trimming around the edges, around the armrest, everywhere. Just trim, 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 trim. But time to put the seat in now. To the hatch in over there? Yeah, right?
What size is this? 12? 14?
Oh, we got line up. Yeah, line up water. What the heck? Oh, should I switch the seats? I was like, damn, it's like. Another brush. Oh, there it is, bruh. Hold on. You gotta cut this out. Where's that knife?
Friday night.